Unlocking the nutritional power of canned foods can help bridge the gap between convenience, health, and budget-conscious eating. In today's fast-paced world, finding food that's both easy to prepare and nutritious can feel like a challenge. Canned foods, often overlooked, provide a range of health benefits while being affordable. Though fresh produce is always recommended, the reality is that time, access, and cost can make canned foods a more practical option for many. At Mindful Diabetes Inc., our Pathways to Wellness series aims to show that you can make healthy choices even with packaged goods like canned foods. In this guide, we'll explore the nutritional science behind canned foods, their affordability, and expert tips on choosing the healthiest options. Despite some misconceptions, canned foods can offer significant nutritional benefits. In fact, when chosen carefully, they can be just as nutrient-rich as their fresh or frozen counterparts. The canning process, which involves heating food to kill bacteria and preserve it, retains many essential nutrients. Fiber, protein, and vitamins like A, D, and B remain largely intact during the process. In some cases, canning even enhances certain nutrients, like the antioxidant lycopene found in tomatoes. Canned vegetables and beans, for example, are excellent sources of vitamins and minerals essential for health. Foods like canned spinach, beets, and pumpkin provide potassium, which helps manage blood pressure, while canned fish such as sardines and salmon are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that promote heart health and reduce inflammation. Additionally, canned foods have a long shelf life without the need for artificial preservatives, helping prevent food waste while keeping your pantry stocked with nutrient-dense options for months. Beyond their nutritional value, canned foods offer significant economic advantages, making them an excellent choice for those on a tight budget. Canned goods are often more affordable than fresh or frozen options, providing an easy way to incorporate healthy foods into your diet. For example, a can of beans offers the same protein content as more expensive animal-based proteins at a fraction of the cost. Canned fruits and vegetables are also a convenient way to access nutritious foods when fresh produce is either out of season or unavailable. For people living in food deserts, where access to fresh produce is limited, canned goods can provide an important source of vitamins and minerals. They are widely available in grocery stores and even discount outlets, making them accessible for households looking to stretch their grocery budget. Moreover, because canned products are shelf-stable, they reduce food waste by allowing you to store them for longer periods without worrying about spoilage. This not only saves money but also reduces the need for frequent shopping trips, making them an essential resource during times of financial difficulty or limited access to stores. When incorporating canned foods into your diet, it's important to choose wisely. Not all canned products are created equal, so looking at the labels can make a big difference in your health. First, opt for low-sodium or no-salt added varieties to reduce your intake of excess sodium, which can contribute to high blood pressure. If these options aren't available, draining and rinsing canned vegetables can significantly reduce the sodium content. Next, avoid canned fruits packed in sugary syrups, as they add unnecessary calories and contribute to blood sugar spikes. Instead, choose fruits packed in their own juice or water. Similarly, when buying canned tomatoes, especially for sauces, avoid those with added sugars and opt for plain varieties. Lastly, consider choosing BPA-free cans. Bisphenol A, BPA, is a chemical used in some can linings that may pose health risks, including hormone disruption. Many brands now offer BPA-free options, so look for these labels whenever possible. If BPA-free cans are unavailable, alternating between canned, fresh, and frozen products can help minimize exposure to this chemical. In conclusion, canned foods offer both nutritional and economic benefits, making them a practical option for anyone looking to eat healthily without overspending. While some caution is needed, such as avoiding added sugars and high-sodium varieties, canned foods can serve as a reliable source of vitamins, minerals, and protein. At Mindful Diabetes Inc., we are dedicated to helping you make informed choices through our Pathways to Wellness series. Incorporating canned products into your diet can support not only your physical health but also your financial well-being, offering a double win for both your body and your wallet. Wrapping up, it's clear that when chosen thoughtfully, canned foods are a smart and accessible way to meet your nutritional needs. They are affordable, convenient, and in many cases, just as nutrient-rich as fresh or frozen options. By following a few simple guidelines, like selecting low-sodium varieties and avoiding added sugars, you can make canned foods a staple in a balanced, healthy diet. Looking ahead, Mindful Diabetes Inc. encourages everyone to explore how smart dietary decisions can make a significant impact on both your health and your financial situation. Through our ongoing Pathways to Wellness series, we'll continue to provide research-backed insights and actionable advice to empower you to take charge of your nutrition in ways that fit your lifestyle. Stay tuned for more updates and insights on how to live a healthier, more balanced life. Together, we'll unlock the secrets to better well-being and continue the journey toward vibrant health.